Hey, seventh graders, I wanted to go over checkpoint 5 with you, which is what you're going to do on Monday and actually possibly on the Tuesday. When you come to checkpoint 5, this actually doesn't have any document attached to it. You're going to be working from this outline down here under your resources for everyone. And then I also have an example that I wrote here. But what you're going to, I'll open this first. What you're going to be doing on checkpoint 5, you're going to be writing an analysis paragraph or an analytical paragraph about one of the letters that we used in checkpoint 3. So you can use the one that you chose. You can use the one from Queen Lilikalani that we did in checkpoint, I think that was 2. So you can decide which one of those letters you want to use. But you're going to write a paragraph that analyzes that person's point of view and purpose about the injustice that they were focused on. And we're going to use a paragraph model known as the TBEAR method to outline your paragraph. And again, I make reference to that example for me. So we'll go to my example and look at that a little bit together, but this will be where you record your paragraph outline. This will turn into a final product for you. So this will be one of your final products. All right, so if we go back to checkpoint 5 and look at under your resources, we'll look at the paragraph that I did. I don't have quite as many parts to my paragraph as you guys have, but at least it gives you an idea of what you're going to be focusing on. So I used the letter that Dr. King wrote from Birmingham jail. Your TBEAR structure stands for T is topic sentence, B is background information, E is evidence, A is analysis, and R is restating your topic sentence. And that put together creates one paragraph where you're analyzing the letter that you chose. So in my example, and on your outline, you have some questions to the left, and even on yours, some sentence starters that you can use if you're having trouble knowing exactly how to get started. But I also thought it would be helpful to have this example so that you could come read my outline and then apply that to whichever letter it is that you chose to analyze. Be sure I did not put this on here, but maybe make reference to which letter you chose. That probably would be helpful as well. So I just wanted to give you a little explanation of that checkpoint 5, of where to find that checkpoint, and just a little bit more details about it. So we will work on that on Monday and possibly into Tuesday.